Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox limited edition Siblie from Ruby Red, and it's Zoey. I got her last year for Halloween, and since it's almost Halloween again, I thought it was really time to unbox her, and hopefully I can show her to you before it's Halloween. This is her box, a very normal Siblie's box, as you can see. Here is the so there's her name on it, and here is her COA. I think, yes, here it is. She's number 147 of 250. These are her boots. Oh wow, I love them. Look at that, they look just like Doc Martens, in my opinion at least, so they are really great. Look at that. Don't you love them? I think they are great. A bit of a glittery sole. She has the wig band. I had those two with the Siblies that I got from the Virtual Doll Convention this year, so we know how it works by now. And this is her dress, and it's a beautiful dress, I can tell you. You can already see through the tissue paper, but I will unwrap it anyway, because otherwise she can't get dressed right. Oh wow! Wow, look at that. It's the fabric is I'm not sure what you call that in English, but it's fully lined, the dress, as you can see. It's something I'm always a bit anxious about. Oh, I see the sleeves aren't lined. So this is the bodice. I really love how this looks. So let's get... No, wait, there's more in the package. We have her stockings. So these are her stockings. Silver and black stripes. Let's put the tissue paper away. And now let's have a look at her. Look at that face. Just going to show you. Don't you love her? I love how she looks. Oh, she's also got a necklace, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see it like this, but otherwise I will take a picture of it and add it to the end of this video. These are her panties. Let's take off the wig cap. And the sleeves on her arms. Let's see, how do I get here? Yes, like this, I think. Not quite there. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can already see it through the plastic film, but she's got black nail polish. Like this. So that's cute. And she also has black nail polish on her toenails, so that's really funny. So take the plastic off here too. Yes, there we go. And then just a protective band around her neck, like this. So now let's have a good look at her face. I really like it. She's got brown eyes and a purplish kind of eyeshadow. Yes. So now let's get her dressed. Let's put away all the extra stuff. That dress is really amazing. I also have her big sister on her way to me. I bought her on the secondary market. So, and hopefully she will arrive soon, so I can take pictures of the sisters together. It might be after Halloween, but that doesn't matter to me. You can have Halloween fun any day. So, let's have a look. Here we are. That's her dress. Now just to close it. I really love that it closes with snaps. So putting on the stockings. As you can see, she's quite easy to dress so far. So, and then we have her necklace. This is the closure, so that's also very easy to work with, usually. Yes, like this. So, yeah, let's first put on her shoes before I put on her wig, so I won't mess up her hair. The shoes lace up, so, but they slip on pretty easily. Of course, I did loosen them a bit before putting them on, so that really helps a lot. Now, just tying the laces. So I'm really just loosening them up like this. Not anything weird, or just like you would do with your own shoes actually. And now I'm putting them on like this, and as you see, they slip on really easily. And then just tighten them again, just like you would with your own, and tie them up like this. So let's put her necklace in shape. So let's put on that wig band, wig holder, whatever it's called. Yes, the anti-slip wig band. So like this. just need to put it on nicely. A bit like this probably. Doesn't matter too much. I mean, just as long as it doesn't show, it should be okay. And then here is her wig. Well, as you can see, she is heavily inspired by Wednesday Addams. And I really like her vibe. So, well, here she is. Really adorable. Let's see if we can put this a bit together. Well, maybe I should use my brush. I've got this very small angel brush, or what it's called, something like that, and it usually works fine. So maybe I have to wet this a little bit so it won't have that split in the middle. So looking at her picture, I think it's meant to sit like this with a split in the middle, as you can see. So I will keep her just like this then. I really love how she looks. She is a great little doll for Halloween. So I will try to take some pictures. So I think she's really a very cute little doll, and I'm happy I got her and that I even got to unbox her this year, which is also great because she's been in that box for a year, which is pretty long. Although I must admit I still have more dolls that may have been waiting even longer, so it seems I'm able to do some videos and to do some editing, so hopefully I can keep on doing this and put out some more videos, do some more unboxings and really enjoy my dolls, which is of course all the meaning. I mean, what's the use of having dolls if you can't enjoy them? So, well, look at how cute she really is. I love it. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye.